Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to convert doc to PDF, so that nobody can extract text, using PDF.co and Zapier. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We have here a sample doc, and we'll convert it into a PDF. Then we will add a PDF security so that nobody can extract text from it. So, let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click the Create Zap button. Next, search the Google Drive app. Then choose the new file and folder as a trigger. Let's set up the Google Drive configuration. In the Drive field, select My Google Drive. In the Folder field, enter the specific folder where the file resides. Now, let's test the trigger. The test trigger was successful. We can now add another app. Search and select PDF.co app. And choose the Anything to PDF converter. Let's set up the action. For input type, select Link to RTF, Doc, Docs document or file token. For input field, select the File Exist but not shown, from your Google Drive. Now, let's test the action. We successfully convert doc to PDF. Since we're done with the doc to PDF conversion, we will now set up the action for adding PDF security. Let's add another app and select PDF.co. And choose the Custom API call. Let's set up the Custom API call. For PDF.co API endpoint, select v1/pdf/security/add. For URL field, select the resulting URL from PDF.co doc to PDF conversion. Then input the JSON code. If you want to add password in your PDF document, enter your password to owner and user password. For encryption algorithm, let's use ICE_128-bit. For allow print document, allow fill form, allow modify document, allow content extraction, and allow modify annotations, set it to false to prohibit users extract text to the PDF document. For print quality, let's use low resolution. For encrypt, set it to false. For name param, enter your desired PDF output file name. Then let's set async to false. Now, let's test the action to see the result. Our test was successful. Kindly copy and paste the URL to view the output. Here's the PDF document that we successfully added PDF protection. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.